The Air Jordan 3 OGL Vuelo celebrates Mexico's vibrant heritage by blending iconic basketball history with lucha libre's fearless artistry. Drawing inspiration from Mexico City's legendary wrestling culture, the sneaker reflects the shared spirit of high-flying moves between Michael Jordan's game and luchadores' daring leaps. Its design showcases a summit white base crafted with shiny and textured leather, highlighted by overlays resembling luchador masks. Accents of metallic gold, dragon red, pine green, and Mexico's flag colors, green, white, and red, enhance the bold look while preserving classic AJ3 DNA. Adding to the cultural storytelling, the shoe comes in special lucha libre-inspired packaging, styled like vintage wrestling posters. Following the 2024 AJ5 Grito, this release continues Jordan Brand's tribute to Mexican culture. Scheduled for fall 2025 at select retailers, the premium sneaker merges heritage, sport, and style.